Hi there. Today I'm going to help you use the PLP feature in Infinite Campus. I know many of you have used it many times, but others of you aren't exactly certain how that works, so I'm going to walk you through it once here today. So you'll go to Infinite Campus and you'll log in. Once you're logged in, you want to go to the Tools side of it. You don't want the Instruction or the Gradebook side. You want the Tools side. And then you'll go to Search, and you will search for a student. Once you find the student, select the student, and that student's information all comes up here. This is the part people forget. Now that you have the student up on your screen, now you click Index. Okay? Once you click Index, then you go to Student Information, and you'll see PLP right here. And then you also have to click under PLP, click General, and notice that once I click General, these tabs over here changed. Now, the actual PLP process, is what teachers are using, is this contact log. So you click on contact log, and you'll notice that there's, in this particular student's case, there's 4 instances where a teacher or a principal has had to contact home regarding the student. If you are going to fill out a new contact, you just put it in the blank spaces up here at the top. And that is the basics on how to fill out the PLP. So you are in the Tools, you go to Search, you select the student, click Index, Student Information, PLP General, and then Contact Log. And I'll put a review page at the end of this video. If you have any further concerns or difficulties doing this, please let me know. Thanks.